from Sai Channel. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Game Center tips and tricks and features in the iQOO 7 device. Yes friends, I'm going to talk about what are the options you do have in the Game Center. So let's see how to utilize this kind of Game Center application which is present in the iQOO 7 device more efficiently. That is what I'm going to tell you in this entire video. So first you'll get this kind of home screen where you can only find all the games. As you can see, these are not much helpful, I would say, because you cannot find the BGMI game or PUBG game, most of the high-end games. I don't have to type other games, maybe Call of Duty. Let's see. I think whether you do have the Call of Duty and you don't have the Genshin Impact game, so few of the games are not present, you cannot find everything, but that's not the point of using this kind of game launcher. You do have the plenty of options where you can actually go to the tools option, as you can see. So these are where we need to go first, because all these options are which are kind of useless, I would say. It's not that helpful, but if you try to go to this tools option here, you can actually find plenty of options here, as you can see, which is really great to see this kind of customization, friends. So before I did not explore, but after getting a lot of feedback and the comments, I started to dig more into this kind of Game Center using this kind of features. So first thing is that you'll get a clear look how many hours you did play the game, so total game duration. So as you can see, 58 hours total game duration, and you can see the game icons, so which is a top game and which is a second top game and third games, as you can see. So all together you'll get this kind of neat looking animation, friends, which is really good for the gamers. You should know like which game you're actually focusing on, how many hours you're spending every day. So this kind of statistics is really good in this phone. That is what I did like about the Game Center. So once you tap anywhere, try to tap on that anywhere, and you will get this kind of screen which is a game space. Here you do have all the games whatever you installed in your phone. Yes, but one thing is that there are a couple of things are missing. Two things. First, you don't get any kind of haptic feedback, any vibration when you try to change the games, but which we can get in the MI Linux and other UIs. So particularly when you try to shift, you should get some kind of haptic feedback, just as a normal suggestion. So there should be some kind of sound when you're trying to move around the games. So that's also another suggestion which I thought of giving, because after using Realme Game Launcher and MIUI Game Launcher, that's where I'm trying to give some kind of ideas to this team as well to improve. Try to click on the option which is called the game data. So here you can actually see a little bit kind of more in depth. Yes, so how much Wi-Fi you have used, how much mobile data you have used, and total how much you have used in 7 days, as you can see, friends. And this is a small graph which we did see before, and even now we are seeing the graph as well. And here you do get the total duration for 7 days. That's fantastic option, as you can see, friends. In 7 days, how many hours you played the game single day. That's really good option. This is a day which I did the battery draining test continuously, 100% to 0%. That is the reason you did see this kind of spike. But overall, as you can see, when the spike is really good, and you can see the 7 days, how many hours you played the game in past 1 week. Which game did you play? And if you try to click the total duration, now you can get the list of games, how many hours I have played, as you can see clearly, which is very good option. So in case if you did not try to explore, so make sure to explore and try to get to know which games you played really high. That is what it really helpful. So apart from the getting the game data, there's nothing much another unique features you can actually find. So I did like only game data analytics. Yes, I did like only this kind of analytics and details. So if you try to go to the update management, try to click on that. So here you do get the option which you can actually update each and every game directly. So it will try to show you all the games, which games are actually available for the update, and you can click on this single button, update all. As you can see, all games you can actually update with one single tap, and the games will be updating immediately, as you can clearly see, friends. That's another fantastic thing which you have right now. And once you click update now, I think there's no option to stop all. So there's no option to stop. I need to pass, but I cannot stop all. I can only just pass it. There's no option to cancel it once you do that. So anyway, let me try to update it all, so there's no point. So anyway, I connected to the Wi-Fi network, but you should know that how much is your data how much data you require for the update. Even that also mentioned. That's another good advantage. Next, download management. I think here we do have this kind of, maybe from here we can actually cancel, I think so. Yeah. Yes, friends, we can actually cancel from here, not from there. That's fantastic. Yes. Let me to cancel. Anyway, I'm not going to use all this kind of applications, so all this kind of games. So that's the reason I'm not updating. So now let's go to the settings. In the settings, you do have the auto upgrade, notifications, and clear cache. So which is not that important, I would say. But overall, you need to focus only on this one point, which is this game analytics. Only this one is a main important point. As soon as you open, you get the haptic feedback, but after you open, you don't get any haptic feedback. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick information which a lot of viewers are actually waiting for my review on this one, tips and tricks, all the features. I hope I did cover everything about related to the game space, and there is no triggering options to enable this game center whenever you want, like in the iQOO 3 device. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.